The Commonwealth Equity Services Incorporated boosts position in Unilever PLC. Commonwealth Equity Services Incorporated boosted its position in shares of Unilever PLC, NYSE, by 1.7% during the third quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the SEC. The firm owned 77,737 shares of the company's stock after buying an additional 1,332 shares during the period. Commonwealth Equity Services Incorporated's holdings in Unilever plc were worth $3,685,000 as of its most recent SEC filing. A number of other hedge funds have also recently added to or reduced their stakes in EDMP Incorporated bought a new stake in shares of Unilever plc during the second quarter worth $208,000. Financial Architects Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Unilever plc by 5.8% in the second quarter. Financial Architects Incorporated now owns 34,866 shares of the company's stock worth $1,670,000 after buying an additional 1,896 shares in the last quarter. Northwest Investment Counselors LLC boosted its stake in shares of Unilever plc by 4.9% in the second quarter. Northwest Investment Counselors LLC now owns 39,503 shares of the company's stock worth $1,893,000 after buying an additional 1,831 shares in the last quarter. Conley Trust Co. boosted its stake in shares of Unilever plc by 1.7% in the second quarter. Conley Trust Co. now owns 32,683 shares of the company's stock worth $1,566,000 after buying an additional 543 shares in the last quarter. Finally, Pine No Levin and Ford Asset Management Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Unilever plc by 0.6% in the second quarter. Pine No Levin and Ford Asset Management Incorporated now owns 65,150 shares of the company's stock worth $3,121,000 after buying an additional 400 shares in the last quarter. 8.54% of the stock is owned by hedge funds and other institutional investors. Shares of Unilever plc, NYSE, traded up 0.44% during trading on Friday, reaching $40.70. The company had a trading volume of 1,127,649 shares. The firm has a 50-day moving average price of $39.81 and a 200-day moving average price of $44.31. The company has a market cap of $115.54 billion, a price-to-earnings ratio of 22.65 and a beta of 0.78. Unilever plc has a 12-month low of $38.58 and a 12-month high of $48.97. The business also recently disclosed a dividend, which was paid on Wednesday, December 7. Stockholders of record on Friday, October 28, were issued a 35-cent dividend. The ex-dividend date was Wednesday, October 26. Has been the subject of a number of analyst reports. Zacks Investment Research raised Unilever plc from a sell rating to a hold rating in a research report on Wednesday, November 16. J.P. Morgan Chase & Co. reaffirmed an overweight rating on shares of Unilever plc in a research report on Monday, October 3. Finally, Jefferies Group raised Unilever plc from a hold rating to a buy rating in a research report on Tuesday, December 13. One investment analyst has rated the stock with a sell rating, 6 have issued a hold rating and 5 have assigned a buy rating to the company's stock. The stock has a consensus rating of hold and a consensus target price of $46. About Unilever plc. Unilever plc is a supplier of food, home and personal care products. The company's portfolio ranges from nutritionally balanced foods to indulgent ice creams, soaps, shampoos and household care products. The company operates through 4 segments: personal care, foods, home care, and refreshment. The personal care segment includes sales of skincare and hair care products, deodorants and oral care products. Want to see what other hedge funds are holding? Visit holdingschannel.com to get the latest 13F filings and insider trades for Unilever PLC, NYSE,